Inside the box are 13 different categories, color-coded to match the different aspects of your life. And inside of each of those is a sheet that tells you exactly what to put inside that folder. So for example, maybe you have a car, but your car probably also has maybe a toll pass or XM radio or AAA or some kind of other subscription service or something else associated with that car. We make sure that you consider each of those things and account for them. And on the other side of each of those sheets, that's for your next of kin. So that same vehicle, they'll get their instructions that say, find the car, inventory the car, clean the car, find the spare key, and then note what they did with the car, whether it was sold or donated or kept, so that they can keep track of the estate. There are a couple other little components. One is a larger zipper bag where you can put things like passports and birth certificates, things that are really hard to replace. And then we also address your keys, because keys are a huge problem for people. You think they're not until you start looking at your piles of keys and you realize they are. So we just address organizing them, checking them, taking a couple hours to pile them all up on a table and just start sorting, and we give you some step-by-step tips on how to do that.